Today we're talking about a new affiliate marketing strategy that converts 10 times better than promoting Clickbank offers. Hey, I'm Dan Pine, welcome back. If you recall in the last video, we talked about some of the issues that cause 99% of potential Clickbank affiliates to fail, not make money. Now, if you recall, some of the reasons for that was, number one, it can take a lot of traffic that you have to send to a Clickbank offer before it converts to a single sale. Some estimates range as high as 200 visitors, and that's not an exaggeration. Sometimes it can take more than that, and I know that from personal experience. I've personally sent more than 200 visitors to a Clickbank offer without a single sale. Now, that's a problem in and of itself. But when you combine that with the second problem that we talked about, where you only make an average commission of $20 to $40 per sale, you can see how the math on this really starts to break down and does not work in your favor as an affiliate. Then couple this with the fact that these offers are available to just about anyone who wants to get on the Clickbank marketplace. That leads to super high competition, which means that you are fighting every other affiliate in that market for that traffic, for those visitors, and for those sales. And that's not the place you want to be. So what does an offer look like that is converting at 10 times higher than Clickbank offers? Well, here are a few of the things that would make for the perfect offer in that case. Number one would be a passionate market of niche buyers who buy again and again repeatedly. It would also be really nice if they bought regardless of the economy or what was going on in the world. And that is the case with this market. The second thing that would really help out is if we had high ticket commissions. Yes, I'm talking $497 and up. That's right, just one sale of $497 or $997 commission paid to you as an affiliate means that you have high profit margins to play with, which gives you a lot more wiggle room to send traffic and still make a profit, even if you only make one sale off of that. Now, the next thing that would be very, very helpful is if this converted much better. And these type of offers that I'm referring to, they convert at 10% or higher. That means 1 in 10 visitors that you get to this offer will turn into a potential sale for you and a big commission. That is extremely beneficial, as you can imagine. Now, the other factor that would be very helpful in putting this special offer together would be if you didn't have to have top level marketing or sales skills. Preferably, there'd be something that you were promoting that was a free giveaway instead. Wouldn't that just make things much easier? And then finally, the icing on the cake for this solution is that these are exclusive offers, which means that the competition is very, very low. Have I piqued your curiosity? Well, if so, instead of me just telling you what one of these offers is like, why don't I do one better and show you? That's right. If you click on the link below in the description, you can see exactly what one of these offers looks like. And if you want, you can funnel hack me on that and take that and use it. Not only will you get to see what one of these offers looks like, but you'll be able to see exactly the offer that will show you how you can promote these type of offers and give you access to these exclusive type of promotions that not everybody else has. And in addition, there's absolutely no pressure to buy and take the offer. But if it looks like it's the right fit for you and you decide to move forward with that and you purchase through my affiliate link, then I'm going to throw in a free bonus. And you can see that and learn more details about the bonus that you're going to get with this when you click that link below. Hey, if this is helpful, if you like this, hit the like button, leave me a comment, be sure to subscribe, because in the next video, I'm going to be telling you exactly the one page that's going to triple or more your conversions for these things. Yeah, that's right, just the one page that will triple or better your conversions on affiliate offers. So be sure to subscribe and check out that next video. But to see this offer that converts 10 times better than Clickbank offers right now, click the link below.